Test, 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 test. Once upon a time there was a giant horse. He was rode by um, um, human-like mannequins, I think. And then the mannequins got shot with a knife gun. I mean, yeah. And then he killed him. What? The horse ran away into a floating house. But then he found treasures. That is a glowing fireworks with uh, fireworks with a sign that says line. And then somewhat guy came and, what are you doing with that fireworks? He replied with, bash in the head. Pow! He bashed the guy in the head with a firework, and then the guy's head was on fire. And he said, wow, it worked. So he ran away from the house as it burns down. What? Yeah, and then he saw the stars and he just realized it was nice. The mannequins and the burning house, they're all gone. And then he has this idea. Why don't I find the what? Okay, wait. He had a thought. What's in the edge of a rainbows? And then some random deer shows up and says, leprechauns. The deer got bashed with a firework and it worked again. And then he ran, and he hears something behind him. He bashed the something behind him with a firework. Then he picked a flower and put it on his head as it burns down. And the wood burns and everything dies. He lost his habitat and everything he had. He watched the mountains and it was so beautiful. He fell to the ground and bashed his head into the ground and then he died. The end.